Hello and welcome. It's the 2nd of October.
Dave can't make it this week, he's a bit tied up.
The weather's very nice today. Let's dig up some potatoes. These are Majestic potatoes.
They were planted at about the middle of May.
They've been in the ground for about 5 months. Let's dig them up. Manos. This is a gold mine. A potato gold mine. Yes! Oh man, there's loads here! There's loads here! Absolutely loads here!
Are there loads?
Yeah, there's loads of big ones.
Oh.
One, Dave. One potato. Two potatoes.
And also good news, I didn't split any of them in half.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
so many.
Ultra close.
Do you think Dave's alright?
Shut up. Go on us.
Uh-oh.
Perfect.
Absolutely perfect.
Oh no, the phone down there. Oh, I gotta reach it, Get the rest of them I'm really dirty. Dirty. Tubers.
Round 2.
Pull back.
Yeah.
Oh.
See? Oh, there's loads.
Yeah,
Loads
look at
down there. Loads. Oh, you look at that. No. I see one down there.
Hold it in both hands like this.
Why did you have to tie Dave to the tree so tight? Shut up. Oh! You need to see this. This is the biggest one ever.
That is good, that. We got loads of potatoes. That's potato harvest. Thanks for watching.
Click subscribe, send me a comment.
And I'll see you next time. We're gonna let him go or what? Shh.